you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Super clean as always. No scratches done to the car. We're with the boy Luis here. Looking pretty good. Wouldn't you say so?
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so we have a super exciting video. Trust me when I say exciting, because it's gonna be a good one. We just got the cars cleaned up. It's pretty fresh, so we didn't go outside, and it was kind of late for us. It is currently about 11 some, like 11:10, and they're gonna Mustang. The car should start at 11. It's at this place called Ojos Locos. If you guys are from Texas, then you should know what this restaurant is. It's a pretty good restaurant for the boys, you know. I mean, if you ladies want to stop by, you guys can go ahead and check it out. But it's gonna be a good one, so stay tuned, guys. You won't regret this video, I promise. So right now we're just cleaning up the cars, and we're gonna head off that way. You got in my shot. Screw you. Yeah. She brought Bay with him.
So mad, bro. My dad has a fucking mustang, dude.
One of those or what? It's nice.
No le creía a mi papá, güey.
Hasta
que me enseñó foto. And I was like, son.
This is the good side of the show over here.
¿Por qué no se lo trae? Pues es que lo tiene que arreglar, güey.
Damn.
Tiene que arreglar, levantarlo, ponerle llantas, todo el pedo, y luego tiene que hacer las cosas. Me imagino que es regularizado.
One day, maybe one. Is it? Are the inside carbon? Damn. Dude, I didn't know the inner of it was carbon.
Whatever your pictures you have, you can tag me or whatever, brother. I appreciate that.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Still by far one of the cleanest Shelbys ever, man. Super well kept. I love this car. I really do. Interior's super clean. Red interior with that white backdrop back there. You don't see these that often. At least not here. Candy belt. Dang guys, I missed. I don't know what happened. We came to eat across the street at Logan's. We're gonna get some steak and salad, and then we look back and there's cops, firefighters. Why would he come back? You know. She got arrested. No? Oh no, they're patting him down.
Don't drop the soap!
Damn. Oh shoot, dang. Dang, dude. It went from 100 to 0 real quick. Dang. That's crazy, yeah. That's badass. Dang.
Yeah, when you're in a neighborhood, dude, you just gotta like stay quiet. Or when someone's following, you're just like, oh.
What are we doing wrong? What are we doing wrong, dude? We're in the wrong job.
Somos narcos.
Alright guys, so we're gonna try to do a little bit of story time. I know I promised you guys it was gonna be an exciting video. This wasn't what I was referring to. We came to Ojos Locos. If you guys don't know in Spanish, in English, Ojos Locos means crazy eyes, right? So we went to this restaurant, this bar style restaurant, a sports bar restaurant, and so it was supposed to be a lot of chicks, and I thought like, it was gonna be exciting for the boys because they're gonna see all this stuff. The girls really didn't come out. They came out for like a minute, and I was like, I thought they were gonna be out here because they were hosting the show, so I figured they were gonna be out here. So I was trying to give content for the boys and I couldn't follow through with that. So I'm super sorry guys. But some incident didn't happen, something juicy happened. We missed it. It would have been awesome footage for you guys again. And I missed it because we went to go eat. And one of my friends was here, Mario. He told me everything that went down. He said he got here just in time to see everything. So let me try to explain it as best as possible. So what happened was there was a truck parked. All right, the truck it's a white truck with radials. It was parked there, and what happened was one of the trucks that wasn't part of the show backed up into that truck, and the owner of the truck that got hit told the guy, hey, whoa, where are you going, dude? Like you scuffed like my truck, you know? And the guy started getting upset, telling him, no, I didn't, I never did anything, blah blah blah. So everybody started surrounding the truck that hit the other truck. That way he wouldn't leave so they can settle it down. The owner of the truck that got hit was like, no man, don't leave anywhere, we'll call the cops, you know, to get this like fixed up and everything. And the other guy was like, nah, I'll just give you money, blah blah blah, we'll call it like that, let me just go to the bank and I'll give you your money. And the guy was with his chick, and the chick was like, yeah, let's go to the bank and we'll give you the money. And the owner was like, no, we ain't gonna do that, man. Dude, another freaking incident just happened. Wow. They threw this chick out of the car. Like, they pretty much ran her over. Like, look, she's with the cops. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh shoot, she's running with the cops. She's going with the cops. They like hit her. I don't know, she was on the floor, the car peeled off. Dude, what the? That was crazy. That was super crazy what just happened. Man, I keep missing it for you guys. But like I said, everybody started surrounding that truck so he wouldn't leave. And he kept saying no, that he didn't do anything, blah blah blah. So then he starts backing up into the people, into the crowd. All right, so he hits a few people and he takes off. They said the guy wasn't there, that he might have been under the influence of something, but he took off, and they called the cops, the firefighter, everybody was there. So he took off, hit and run, and for some reason, guys, some weird, crazy reason, like I said, they said this guy was under the influence. He came back to the scene, right? He drove by. He didn't get in the parking lot. He drove by. So everybody's like, that's the truck, that's the truck, that's the truck. So now, the cops start chasing that guy. They pull him off into the parking lot. They start barricading everything, and they approach the guy, and they got him off the truck. They were doing a cavity search on him, and I got that on video. I'm gonna try to get the video off of somebody else. Hopefully somebody got the incident, because they said people had their cameras out, so hopefully I come across it. Yeah, the cops got there, got him down, cavity searched them, and they arrested the guy. And then you saw a while ago on the video they towed his truck as well. So that was pretty crazy, man. I missed it. Like I said, right now some girl just got hit. An employee here at Ojos Locos just got hit. Literally, you saw the cops like going with her, and everybody started running. Like, well, not everybody, like a couple of people started running that way. I just turned and I saw the girl on the floor, and the car peeled off, and I was just like, what the heck? The door closed. So I don't know if they threw her off or they ran into her. It's just really, really crazy, man. That's the chick. That's her. She has some scrapes like on her neck and on her elbows. Damn. Super crazy show. But I hope you guys did enjoy this. Subscribe, guys, if you haven't. I know there's a big percentage of you guys who are watching these videos and aren't subscribed yet. Make sure to hit that button, guys. Hit the notification bell since you're there already. Drop a like, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.